Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 31st, our word of the day is malady. M-A-L-A-D-Y. Malady. Malady is a 6-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Malady is a disease, a disorder, or an ailment. Similar words include illness, sickness, ailment, disorder, complaint, disease, infection, indisposition, affliction, infirmity. Examples of sentences using malady are: he was stricken with a crippling malady. All the rose bushes seem to be suffering from the same mysterious malady. Love is a malady without a cure. Entwined today with COVID is the age-old mental malady called cabin fever. I suffer a malady that no balm can cure. In the olden days, people were always suffering from some unknown malady. Make sure to save this new word, malady, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.